Hello guys, myself Pankaj, and so in this series of videos I will tell you regarding how to containerize your application and deploy it as a microservice. In this in this series we will use mainly Docker uh, for containerization, Nginx for hosting, and Flask app for the processing API request, or like for making the application. Yeah, so the main aim to create these videos was that I was trying to make a microservice or containerizing the application. I found that there was not a single source which I can refer and build my microservices and deploy it. So I thought of making this video so where anyone can refer to these videos and make its microservices or deploy it. Okay, so let's start. So I will start with how to install the Docker. Okay, so and in this let me tell you that I have not like a sheet where I which I can refer and to install the um, Docker, because I want to teach like how you should Google search and find out the commands, because everything you can't find in a sheet or Google sheet, so you should know how to search. So okay, so let me search how to install Docker Ubuntu. So I am using Ubuntu OS. Okay, so installation method. Yeah, so I think this is the command to install the Docker. Yeah, also let me search if there any Stack Overflow link which I can refer. Install Docker Linux. Okay, let's see. Can get any Stack Overflow. So it doesn't look I have. Mm, type Stack Overflow. Yeah. I see a lot of commands. Start the. Yeah, I think these all are not needed. I have already updated. So this also looks similar to this command. So yeah, let me start with this. To clear this. Yep. Okay, so they are saying no CCLI container IO. Oops. Is not available, but is required by another person. Missing has been. Okay, so let me use this one. hmm I think I have to use these things. So because I am using Ubuntu, so yeah, start with this. If I don't have to install those on other commands. Okay, I think I will have to follow this. So let's start. Sudo apt update. Then this one. Mm, installing. Then this is the command. Okay. So adding app to Docker list. Okay, I know what it's doing. Let's okay, and then checking the Docker installers. Okay, installed on version table. Let's check with this if it works. Oops, it's not working. So it seems that they have stopped the So I see this will not work. Let me install Action on Ubuntu. Try this. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I have sudo apt update. I will then use this command, and I think I have to add some GPG key for the official repository. So I'm copying this command and then I will run this. It's taking time. Okay, so next command. Okay, they are saying okay. And this one. Then again updating. Oh my god, how many times I will have to update? Okay, so I see something. So then just copy this command. Okay, yeah, it's installing. So then we will check the status. So this will install the Docker on our system, and then yeah, we'll check the status of it. So yeah, let's wait to install. Okay, so it's installed. Let me check the status. Oh my god, what I did. Here it is. Know what's happening. Okay. Okay, so it's saying Docker service is active and running. Okay, so we can see now how that our Docker is installed. Okay, and we can see the status is running. So these are the steps to install the Docker on our system. Okay, so let's meet in the next video.